Patrice Emery Lumumba was born in the Belgian Congo on the 6th of July, 1925. He grew up determined that his country would one day be free from colonial rule. Lumumba became a teacher and a nationalist leader. He co-founded the movement National Congolais, a political party that called for a united Congo and independence from Belgium. He believed that freedom should mean that the people controlled their own land and resources. Lumumba played a key role in the struggle for Congo's independence. He organized protests, spoke to workers and students, and inspired people to demand their rights. He became the first prime minister of the Congo on the 30th of June, 1960. In his famous independence speech, he said, "We are no longer asking, we are demanding." He openly criticized Belgian colonial rule and called for real freedom, equality, and control over the Congo's resources. His words inspired people across Africa and made him a symbol of courage and leadership. During his short time in office, Lumumba worked to build a strong, united Congo. He tried to create a government that represented all ethnic groups and sought support from the United Nations to maintain peace. He also worked to end corruption and ensure that Congo's wealth benefited its own people. His vision was for a country where citizens could live with dignity and opportunity. Soon after independence, the Congo faced serious challenges. The army mutinied and the province of Katanga tried to break away with Belgian support. Belgium sent troops to protect its interests, and foreign powers interfered in the new nation. In this turmoil, Lumumba was dismissed from office and placed under house arrest. In January 1961, he was captured, tortured, and executed in Katanga. His body was treated with great cruelty and almost completely destroyed. His death shocked the world and made him a lasting symbol of anti-colonial resistance. For decades, the truth about his death was hidden. Only in the early 2000s did Belgium begin to admit its role. In 2022, they returned a tooth of Lumumba that had been kept as a grim reminder of his murder. Now, in January 2026, Lumumba is back in the news. A Belgian court in Brussels held a hearing to consider whether to hold a trial connected to his assassination. The case focuses on Etienne Davignon, a former Belgian diplomat accused of taking part in Lumumba's detention and abuse. A decision about the trial is expected by March 2026. Lumumba's family has worked for more than 15 years to seek justice. They want the truth to be known and accountability for the crimes committed. Their efforts have brought international attention to the legacy of colonialism and the need for former colonial powers to face their past. Human rights groups, scholars, and activists see this as a chance to confront history and demand justice. Lumumba's name also continues to inspire people today. During the 2025 Africa Cup of Nations, fans and commentators invoked his legacy as a symbol of African unity and pride. He is remembered not only for his courage, but also for his vision of a free and fair Congo. His life reminds the world that even when voices are silenced, the fight for justice and freedom continues. The story of Patrice Lumumba is one of courage, hope, and determination. It is a story that shows how the past continues to shape the present. Belgium's legal review of his death is a chance to face history and honor the memory of a man who gave his life for his country. Lumumba's life and legacy remain a call for justice, truth, and freedom for generations to come.